Hi everyone, it's Casey over here from Casey's Corner and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a classic summer easy makeup tutorial. I also wish to mention a little bit on Linjer Jewelry. I have worked with them in the past and I have some new bits that I wish to share with you. So we're going to go and speak a little bit about Linjer and then we'll go into the summer makeup look, which is very quick and very simple, and I think it goes very well with my new jewelry pieces as well. And let's begin. Basically, Linjer is a beautiful jewelry brand which sells exquisite, affordable and very elegant yet simple minimalistic jewelry. What I love about the brand is that they don't focus on like releasing big collections or seasonal collections, but they basically create simple jewelry that you can wear every single day. When I say simple, I don't really mean always simple, because some example, the pieces that I got today are very elegant as well, and they just elevate your outfit too. I feel like throughout the years I've been wanting to expand and wear more jewelry because I feel like I didn't used to. However, when I started working with Linjer, they actually motivated me to start including jewelry pieces in my outfits too. And I feel like with Linjer, their products are very sustainable as well. And what I loved about Linjer is that, again, for me, I don't usually like wearing like too much jewelry, like too bold. So Linjer was a really good product to collaborate with because I really meshed with their team of simple yet elegant. They're very minimalistic, very timeless, and they create jewelry for everyday wear, like for work wear, but also you can go out with them too. Like if you're someone like me who loves minimalistic jewelry, then you would love Linjer Jewelry, and I have some beautiful pieces that I wish to share with you all very soon. So they use different quality materials as well in their jewelry. They use recycled gold, they use sterling silver, and they also use gold vermeil, always keeping within the affordable price range. In fact, the products I have today are all gold vermeil, if I'm not mistaken. Like I said, Linjer is a very sustainable brand, both from the packaging. I mean, look, this is the packaging, really cute. Very, very cute. I love their elegant blue theme that they have going on. They have changed it. I think it used to be pink before, but now it's in this like elegant blue. And then these are the packaging that the jewelry pieces will come in. So again, very good, very cute gift boxes as well. And basically you would open. Now I've already opened mine, so I did that bow. So it would usually come neater. And basically you would get your little pocket, and the jewelry piece will be inside this little pocket. But today I'm actually wearing the jewelry pieces. In each box you will also get what the product was called, so you get that little barcode over there, and then you'll also get this little pamphlet as well, which basically has information about the product that you would have ordered. It would also give you a little bit of insight on how to basically keep your products clean and how to take care of them. So I really love that. So if you have any friends or loved ones who love jewelry, you might want to check out Linjer, especially if there's someone who enjoys simple jewelry, but you still want to treat them, you know, and these pieces are beautiful. Basically, now I'm going to show you the 3 items that I have received from Linjer. I'm so excited because I swear, one of the pieces I will show you is my favorite piece for sure, and I'm going to be wearing this all throughout the summer. So the first thing that we have is this one. This one is called the Open Leaf Ring, and it is in the name of Ada. And like I said, it is in gold vermeil. So basically the ring also has these beautiful gemstones called Marquise gemstones. Basically, I'm so sorry about my finger because I'm pregnant, is a little bit puffy. So I think it got a bit stuck, but it's okay, we got it. So I want to show you a clearer picture of the ring. This is the ring. It's so pretty. Look at those gemstones. Absolutely gorgeous. Next one are these. So these are called the pearl drop earrings, and they're in the name called Ariana, and they're also in gold vermeil. These would look really cute for bridal earrings as well. They're very lightweight. It's like I have nothing on my ears. Basically, these earrings feature a Baroque pearl with sparkling cubic zirconia stones with a floral motif. Really, really pretty. I absolutely love that. My favorite thing is this bracelet. This is the leaf bracelet. It's absolutely gorgeous, and this one is called Laurelle. And this one as well has marquise gemstones, and it is made of gold vermeil. Look how pretty and shiny. Bracelet, I think, is my favorite piece for sure. I mean, look at that. I love how it sparkles in the sunlight. It's truly like the marquise gemstones, they truly sparkle so beautifully. Jewelry, just the quality of it, you can tell, because no matter how long you have them, they still remain like you've just received them. So that's what I love about Linjer Jewelry as well. So they're affordable, and yet they last long too. These are the pieces that I wanted to share with you. If you want, I also have a discount code for you all if you want to save something small from your order, especially maybe if you need to give a gift or something, you can use my code. I'll leave it linked down below. I'll leave everything linked down below for you guys to basically check out easily. That's the little segment to Linjer. I used to say, again, a big thank you to the brand, and yeah, I'm really happy with my Linjer items. So now we're going to go into the segment of my classic summer easy makeup tutorial. Let's go ahead and see the makeup look. I'm going to start by taking some tea. This is a summer makeup look that I have been wearing on the go when I need to create something really quickly. And these are the products that actually have been on my vanity for the past 2 weeks. So this is what we're going to be using today. I have been loving this one, the PLouise Protect Your Pout. This is the Coconut Care one. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do some primer, obviously, and I have the Power Grip primer from e.l.f. Absolutely love this. I love how it preps my skin. Oh, it feels really refreshing on my skin. For foundation, I've actually been using the Kylie. This is the Skin Tint Blaring Elixir. Mine is in the shade 2W. So I'm just going to apply this all over my skin. I like how lightweight it is. I have done a review on this, so if you want to check it out, I'll leave it below. Oh, funny, my voice went ooh. Now with this foundation, you can build it up, but I prefer for summer, I like something very light, not too thick. Oh, I got a new mirror from Kylie Cosmetics. So actually I can just use this. For concealer, it's a new concealer that I tried out, which I absolutely have been loving. It's a Tarte Shape Tape, the Radiant one, and I really, really love this. I'm just going to put 3 dots. I'm going to just put one on my blemish. If you want a really good concealer, I recommend this because it really does what it needs to do. Now, today I'm not going to do any eyeshadow because I feel like I won't be being realistic. I like wearing eyeshadow when I'm going out or like when I have time to do my makeup, and I feel like on days when I'm like very much on the go, I don't have time to do that. So we're just not going to do eyeshadow. Right, I've bought this. This is the NARS. It's a bronzing stick. I actually really like it. I just apply a bit. And we kind of, you know, shape a little bit our face. And this kind of gives me a bit of a fake tan. So then I just like to apply whatever's left on my beauty blender at the bottom. For powder, I've been loving the Saie. So this is the translucent powder. This one is the Slip Tint Undetectable Baked Setting Powder. Mine is in the shade number 2. I really like that powder. I mean, look. So here I have this side set and then this side is not set. And I feel like I like how it just sets your foundation in place, and even the concealer, obviously. And obviously for summer, you need to set your makeup in place or else it will move. So what I like to set is basically here, my forehead and my chin, and even my like upper lip. So for brows, I just literally use my KYBROW, and basically that's all I like to do to my brows. The brush as well has 2 tips. And I kind of just go over with both of them. I start with the flatter one. And then if I want to give a little bit more of a fluffy look, I use the other one. And I don't need to fill in the brows. I feel like this, for a natural summer makeup look, that's what we're going for. It's enough. So now I'm going to just curl my lashes. I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this is the Lash Sculpt Mascara. I love that it separates and lengthens the lashes really beautifully. Like it's like I have false lashes on, and I really like the effect. Honestly, it's enough. So for blush, I have this one. This is the NYX Butter Melt Blush, and this one is in the Butter with Thyme blush. So it's quite pink. Look at that pink shade. But we love that for summer. And what I do is I literally, just a little bit. Like this side applied not as good, but then this side really applied well. I had that pigmentation and it kind of just brought it out more. I feel like how I applied it wasn't good. Okay, we're just gonna leave it like that. I'm going to pretend that it's okay. So that is the blush applied, but I've been loving pink blushes. I've been actually looking for like new blushes. I didn't have so much in my drawer, like in my collection, so I actually added some blushes, which I'm very happy about. I feel like the favorite product this year was blush for me. I would always like to look for like new blushes. Okay, so for lipstick today, what I'll be applying is the Revolution. This is the IRL Whipped Lip Cream, and this one is an espresso nude, but I love this shade. For setting spray, I'm going to be using the NYX, the Phase Glue Setting Spray. For summer, this is really good because it really locks everything in place. Really apply that. Okay, so this is the finished look of the summer makeup look. Very simple. So that was my easy natural summer makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I wish to say a big thank you to Linjer Jewelry, who have ever so kindly sent me these beautiful pieces from Linjer. I love the earrings, so dainty, so simple, so elegant as well, and I love the ring too, as well as the bracelet. I think the bracelet is my favorite piece. The 3 items that I'm so grateful to have tried out. Absolutely love these pieces. Just like I told you, I also have a discount code if you want to use it and save something off your Linjer order. I'll leave everything linked in my description box below, so check that out too. So that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. See you and take care, and hope you're having a good summer too. Ciao!